1 month ago, we launched the Bubble is Global map, beginning with the top visited Bubble apps in Europe. Since then, we've expanded the map tenfold, and the response has been enormous. And now the map's come full circle, as we're finally able to showcase all the pioneers of AI and visual development around the entire world. Let's meet some of them now. In Egypt, Recruitera is an AI-powered applicant tracking system, bringing modern precision hiring to the MENA region. FounderPal in Indonesia is an AI marketing toolkit providing founders with automated tools for growth and customer acquisition. From Singapore, WordHero is an AI writing tool helping plan, draft, and publish high-quality blog articles with a human-like voice. Hey Juno from Australia is an AI-powered user interview tool, uncovering what users need without hiring a research team. And from New Zealand, Ahu Jobs is a job board connecting Maori talent and Te Ao Maori capability with employment opportunities. A huge congratulations to all these apps and to everyone around the world whose innovation and hard work is visible on this map. As of right now, you can visit any participating region to see some of their top Bubble apps based on a snapshot of data taken from October. Maybe your app will be next. Who knows how the stats might change in the coming months? After all, Bubble is global. See for yourself at bubble.io/global.